Hello everyone! Welcome back to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Star Review plugin in ShopFunnels. Let's get started. First, log in. Here in our ShopFunnels dashboard, click on the plugin section on the sidebar menu, and let's install the Star Review plugin. Click on Add New Plugin. If you have a zip file of the plugin, you can click on the Upload a Plugin button, or install it from the marketplace. Here on the marketplace, there are tons of plugins that are available. You can just scroll down and find your plugin here. Or you can also search your plugin's name here. Then click on it and install. If you're not logged in your ShopFunnels membership area, then it will ask you to log in first. After that, install the plugin. It will take you back to your plugin section. You'll see the Star Review plugin here if it's installed successfully. Next, toggle this button to activate this plugin. Now on your sidebar section, you'll see the Star Reviews plugin added here. Just click on it and select All Reviews. Here's where you can see all your reviews. You can manage them here. You can filter it in this section. See the summary. See the media your customer has included in their review, and you can approve, delete, or mark it as read on each section. To get the shortcodes, you can just click here. You can use these shortcodes to show your reviews on any page. Choose the one that you need. Let me show you. Let me copy this first shortcode here and go to my store. And I want to show the review shortcode here in my product page. So I'll select it and go to the editor. Now I want to show the review after this container. So I'll just click on here and click on the plus icon. Add a container. Delete this header. Click on the plus icon again and choose Inside. Scroll down and select Custom Code. Then paste in your shortcode here and save it. And that's how you can place the shortcodes. So let's do the same for the others. I can just clone the containers and replace the shortcode inside. After all that, save it. Now to see these reviews that we have added, let's visit my collection page. Let's take a look at one of the products listed here. Scroll down a little more, and here you'll see the reviews that we have added. Even the media are included. You can click on it to view. And again, you can manage all your reviews on this page. Now let's take a look at the settings. We have the general settings of the reviews here. Here you can select who is allowed to add a review, or how can they do it. For the email verification, you need to select the default SMTP. For the default SMTP, in the sidebar menu, just scroll down and click on the Settings tab. Click on Settings. Here in the General Settings section, just scroll down and select the SMTP. After that, just save the setting. After that, you can go back to your Star Review plugin settings. Again, you can select the one you want here. You can also set the action of a review that was sent. You can choose to automatically approve it, mark it as read, or choose both. Now on your right side, you can edit your email verification content that will be sent out to your reviewer's email. We have shortcodes available for you to use here. You can just copy and paste them here. After you're done editing the content, save it. Now move on to the review settings section. Click on it. You can manage reviews here. Select the things you want to be shown, such as like and dislike buttons, pagination, the star, summary, average rating box, and summary box. And below you can edit the positioning of the box, edit the heading text, button texts, and other settings. After editing, don't forget to save the changes. Now let me refresh the page, and here you'll see all the changes that I have edited. Going back, you can also edit the sizes and colors of your buttons and texts on the Manage Reviews Styling section. Then again, just save your changes, and if I refresh the page again, you'll see the new changes. So now let's move on to the next tab, the Rating Form Settings section. Click on it. Now you'll see the rating form. When you click here on the Rate Product button, a dialog box will open, and here's where your customers can place their review. And here are the settings for this dialog box. You can choose the allowed actions your customer can do, or add to their review. Just check on the boxes and assign the further details. And edit the positioning, texts, sizes, and colors. When you're done, just save the changes. Go back to the page and refresh it, and you'll see the changes. Now let me add in a review. And now you'll see the verification message popped up when I submitted my review, saying that the verification email was sent. And here is the verification email. So that is how you can use the Star Review plugin in ShopFunnels. Thanks for watching!